How to get the best deals for real estate investments then?
Here's a link. What is the link? What do people find on this link?
People find, or you guys find the best properties. So these are our properties we have in our portfolio every 2 weeks, right? Or depends, every 2 weeks. Depends if they get sold pretty quick, but these are the actual properties there. Have a look at it, subscribe first, and then you will receive an email automatically. Otherwise, book an appointment with me. Sometimes I do have properties there. That's true. Like, yeah, right here. There are properties today here, and
They don't
yeah,
even make it to the list, right?
I know I have to send it, but yeah, it's really true. The market is right now great to buy, and they're there for 3 days and they're gone. So yeah, either do the subscribe anyways on the list, or book an appointment with me. Otherwise, have your contacts, right? I don't believe you should go right away on Immobilien Scout, because Immobilien Scout, as we all know, gives you very expensive properties as well. Not in all cases, but you have all these websites you can browse around. Sometimes I find also great deals on eBay Kleinanzeigen. It really depends, and even if you find something really good, you need to invest time over here, okay? Even if it's a 150K property in Munich, everyone will be like, but look at the back on that. How much savings does the whole building has? How old is the property? Any repairs on that property? And sometimes it looks good, and if you go in there, you're kind of shocked. So have an expert on your hand. But yeah, I would say we're here to support you, and we really guide our clients through the whole process. If I think Daval was here, our client. So if there are many clients today in this stream, I guess they can confirm that we really support from the beginning, picking the right property, going through the whole process, like even translating laws, rules, getting the right property manager, and you have a peace of mind for the next 10 to 15 years at least.
I think it also depends on your definition of what the best deals or a good deal is,
Yeah.
right? I think in the last stream we had a person that was like, "Hey, I found something for like -10, -15% or
Yeah.
something like this." Does this look like a best deal or something? Because you go on Amazon and you find something that is like
Yeah.
-15%. You're like, Prime Day, I'll buy it. But with properties, it works a little bit different. So would something that is incredibly, surprisingly cheap, does this look like a really good deal or a best deal? Yes, it does, but is it really? And that's where at least, I'd rather pay, let's say, a little bit more or
Yeah.
get it checked by a professional or something
Yeah.
in order to make sure that I'm not buying into something where half a year later I'm like, oh my god, there's gonna be so
Yeah.
much cost coming up.
Yeah. Because at first, you want to save money. You calculating like everything I can save here, I can save there. But at the end, you get headaches. And in most cases, actually, it ends up, or if you're having for example, property cheaper, unrenovated, looks like shit, right? And then, okay, I'm going to do that. Wait till you see a renovation costs, especially now with increasing import export. You're gonna end up paying way more for a property what probably we had for you or someone else, where you paid a little bit more or could have paid a little bit more, but at the end you have that headache free time.
If a deal looks too good to be true, it probably is.